This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Old. Welcome home to the Dawson Classic model. This home features a primary ensuite with a dual vanity sink and a huge walk-in closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 and bathroom 2 are on the opposite side of the primary bedroom. The laundry room is off to the right of the foyer before you enter the 2-car garage. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances and an island. Some upgrades have been selected, such as Coretec flooring in the main areas and LVT tile in the primary bathroom. Hurry, you would like to make your own selections. The builder offers a home warranty. The location of this home makes it perfect for a quick commute to the NC/BA line. Seller will provide up to 3% in closing cost assistance with use of a preferred lender and settlement agent. August 2, 2024 for